Welcome to the Discovery Moments, where you can gather tips and insight to guide you through the real estate process. How does the appraisal and inspection process empower you as a home buyer? In today's competitive housing market, you may be tempted to waive contingencies to help your offer stand out. Here's why you shouldn't waive the appraisal or inspection. Your inspection informs you of the home's condition, while the appraisal is an unbiased look at the home's value. Both provide critical information to help you make a powerful and confident decision when buying a home. Let's connect.